locating new suppliers for the cast product and also machine product is challenged in today's environment. The best way that we found is through networking with other people who procure or sell those product lines, as well as American Foundry Society has the directory of castings. We use that for geographic location, and using the internet search. Being Oshkosh Corporation, a defense contractor, we have a website on board that suppliers across the globe can submit their interest to becoming a supplier for Oshkosh Corporation, which is the third method that we use.
When I'm going overseas, I again use the foundry societies over there to go through and look, and fortunately or unfortunately, a lot of times I use the web to look at the site from the foundry to see if they're going to fit in and what their quality standards are and things like that.
It's the technological ability to produce the part, their ability to demonstrate to us that the part can be produced the first time correctly and on-time schedule by history. We look at their on-time delivery performance and their internal scrap, their customer return scrap, Y, and their total scrap rate, as well as they have to be a financially stable company.
What we do is we go in and we do an initial supplier assessment to see how financially stable they are, because that's been a real issue with the recession all over the world. And then if that's okay, then we send in a supply team that does a quality survey, and if all of those things meet, then we finally start to be able to process.
The capacity is running very tightly right now, not only in North America, but also globally.
The biggest issue that we're facing in the U.S. is just having enough capacity to go around.
The other limiting factor we have in procuring castings is the constant price escalation. One of the reasons is due to the availability of scrap. Most foundries have implemented a metal market adjustment, which is a variable cost pass-through that most of the consumers understand and accept.
So far, we haven't seen any issues developed with the sand or the metal castings because we have such a tight relationship with every foundry that we do business with. We constantly are pretty much visiting with them either monthly or quarterly to be sure that we're on top of it. And so far, you know, we know those situations are out there, but we're still working with trying to keep that relationship going, because it's all about the supplier relationship.
We are concerned today, as other companies are, that the availability of the foundry capacity to produce these parts will eliminate that cost reduction for the manufacturing cost, which will make our product and other products less competitive in the global marketplace.